Hey there, health-conscious viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a special video for all our diabetic friends out there. We'll be talking about the top 8 fruits that you should be including in your diet if you're managing diabetes. Believe it or not, the notion that fruit is not safe when you need to watch your A1C is a popular diabetes myth that has been debunked again and again. A study published in PLOS One in April 2017 even found that high amounts of fresh fruit were associated with a lower diabetes risk, as well as fewer complications for people who already had diabetes. Meanwhile, according to a study in the October 2021 Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, people who eat a diet rich in whole fruits may be less likely to develop type 2 diabetes in the first place. The American Diabetes Association notes that many types of fruit are loaded with vitamins and minerals, as well as fiber, a powerful nutrient that can regulate blood sugar levels and decrease your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. From berries bursting with antioxidants to the tropical delights that can satisfy your sweet cravings, we've got it all. So, grab your favorite fruit, settle in, and let's embark on this flavorful journey together. Number 1. Berries are a refreshing treat with disease-fighting antioxidants. Whether you love blueberries, strawberries, or any other berry, experts have given you the all-clear to indulge. According to the American Diabetes Association, they're a diabetes superfood because they're packed with antioxidants and fiber. 1 cup of fresh blueberries has 84 calories and 21 grams of carbohydrates. If you can resist the urge to just pop them into your mouth, try berries in a parfait, alternating layers of fruit with plain non-fat yogurt. It makes a great dessert or breakfast for diabetes. Number 2. Tart cherries tackle inflammation. 1 cup of tart cherries with pits has 52 calories and 12.6 g of carbs. And these fruits may be especially good against inflammation, thanks to their antioxidants, which were shown to fight heart disease, cancer, and other diseases. Tart cherries can be purchased fresh, canned, frozen, or dried. But since many canned fruits contain added sugar, which can spike your blood sugar, be sure to check the labels before buying. Number 3. Sweet, juicy peaches pack electrolyte-boosting potassium. Fresh, fragrant peaches are a warm weather treat you can include in your diabetes-friendly diet. 1 medium peach contains 59 calories and 14 g of carbohydrates. It also has 10 milligrams of vitamin C, which makes it a good source of that nutrient, and it's also a source of potassium, with 285 milligrams. Vitamin C does everything from helping your body form blood vessels and cartilage to aiding your body's healing process. On the other hand, potassium acts as an electrolyte, helping normalize the fluid levels in our cells. Number 4. Apricots are scrumptious, fiber-rich little bites. Apricots are a sweet summer staple and a wonderful addition to your diabetes meal plan. 1 apricot has just 17 calories and 4 g of carbohydrates. 4 pieces of this small fresh fruit provide 134 micrograms of your daily vitamin A requirement, constituting an excellent source of that nutrient. Vitamin A is important for your vision and immune system. Number 5. Apples offer a quick, fibrous, vitamin C-filled snack. An apple a day really might keep the doctor away. A medium-size apple is a great fruit choice, with 95 calories and 25 grams of carbs. If you're trying to stay under 15 grams of carbohydrates per serving, enjoy half. Apples are loaded with fiber, about 4 grams per medium fruit, making them a good source, and have some vitamin C, with 1 mid-size apple providing 8.37 milligrams. Don't peel your apples, though the skins are nutritious, with much of the fiber and heart protective antioxidants coming from that part of the apple. Number 6. Oranges are a juicy, refreshing source of vitamin C. Eat one medium orange and you'll get nearly all the vitamin C you need in a day, 63 milligrams, making it an excellent source. This mouth-watering choice comes in at 16 grams of carbohydrates and 65 calories. One medium orange also contains 24 micrograms folate, which helps red blood cells form, and 238 milligrams potassium, which may normalize blood pressure. And while you're enjoying this juicy treat, don't forget other citrus fruits, like grapefruit, which are also great choices for people with diabetes. Number 7. Choose pears for easy snacking, plus ample fiber. Because pears are an excellent source of fiber, one medium pear has nearly 5.5 grams of fiber. They make a wise addition to your diabetes meal plan. Plus, unlike most fruit, they actually improve in texture and flavor after they're picked. Store your pears at room temperature until they're ripe and perfect for eating. Number 8. Zesty green kiwis bring potassium, fiber, and vitamin C. As you probably know, a kiwi's fuzzy brown peel hides a zesty bright green fruit. According to the U.S. Diabetes Association, one delicious powerhouse kiwi is an excellent source of vitamin C and gives you a little potassium and fiber to boost. One kiwi also has about 48 calories and 11 grams of carbohydrates, so it's a smart addition to your diabetes-friendly diet. So there you have it, our top 8 fruits for diabetics. Remember, moderation is key, and it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, take good care of yourself.